Nanonood na lang kayo. Huwag na kayo mag-comment, ah. Char. Guys, nalulungkot ako. Char. Sad girl yun. Gusto ko lang umuwi. I wanna go home. Come back home, Ate Camille. Hi, Tita R. Jones. I miss you. I'm doing well. Just missing home. I don't even know what to talk here, guys. I just turn on my live. So if you wanna stay, you can stay. Hello, Josh. Anong ante? Ate. Ate mo ko. Char. Miss you, Josh. How are you, baby boy? I'm just here. Missing home. Oh. I hope you're doing well po. Guys, I'm so sad. I wanna go home. I cannot. Stop thinking about it. Can't stop think about it. Think about going home. Hi, Zoe. How are you? Why ka sad? Kasi di ako makaka-uwi. Ikaw muna, Sure go. Cool life, chilling. Hi, Mika. How are you? I hope you're doing well, bebe. How's school? Ingat ka po. Yeah, non-stop. Don't worry about me. I'm just here chilling lang sa bahay. Never went out for the past 3 days. That's why siguro nalulungkot ako kasi umuulan din at the same time. And guys, I don't like the rain. It makes me feel blue. And it makes me miss Siargao. And I love the rain at Siargao, ha? Not here lang in the city. Hindi lang dito sa city. Sa Siargao lang. Namiss ko yung ulan kasi naniligo kami sa labas. Dito, bawal ka maligo sa labas. Kasi nga, basta bawal. Sa Siargao kasi ang sarap maligo sa ulan. Kaka-start lang ng school, suspended agad. Hahaha. May extension kayo para makapag-ready. I love the beach there. Huh? Hindi bawal? Di ba bawal dito? Siguro for me, bawal. Kasi maraming tao. It's a lot of people. And, syempre, yung pinagkukuhanan din ng tubig ng Columbus Clouds dito. Madumi. Sorry. Malinis kasi Siargao. Kimi! Kamusta ka na? Miss you na. Thank you for asking, Atishi. I'm doing well. I miss you. It's okay to shower in the rain. Pag malinis. Tawang-tawa si Tita Arjun sa. Why laughing? Connect. Hi again. Tara! Gala tayo. Feeling ko yun yung kailangan ko. Kasi lagi lang ako nasa bahay. Hindi ako lumalabas, guys. Kung alam nyo lang. Hello, Gab! How are you? It's been a while. Guys, I'm so lonely. I'm so lonely. I'm so sad and lonely. I wanna go home right now. Because my daughters won't do it either. They might do it in Siargao. Me convincing everybody to, Visit Siargao. Go, go, go. Let's hit the range. Stay dry, Ange. Thank you, Gab. Ikaw rin. Gala-gala na ako, te. Let's go to MOA. Hoy, ilang taon ka na? Gala-gala ka sa MOA, ha? How old are you na, hala? Guys. Yeah, they can find their forever. Feeling ko doon din. Punta lang ako sa Apam Bridge. Gala lang. Gala-gala lang po, ma'am. She's sa... Kung gusto nila, just turned 17 last month. Oh, belated, Josh! 17, no? Man, I'm old. I was 16 when I first know you, and now I'm... Wow. Oh, no, not 16. I was 17, 18 around that time. Tanda na ako. Auntie na talaga ako. Feeling ko auntie na rin ako, guys. Auntie na nga. Literal din na auntie. Kasi, auntie na ako. May pamangkin na ako. So, auntie na talaga ako. My God. Hello? Alam nyo, guys, siguro hindi helpful talaga nasa bahay lang tayo always. I think we need somebody to talk to somehow. But, I don't know, lately I've been, not talking to anyone. Mama Del, nandyan ka na pala, yung forever ko. Guys, don't tell him I was cheating on him. Wait, what? You are now one of the titas. Yes, literal, I am a tita now. So, please teach me. Tita 101 guidebook. Give me one. Like, how am I not gonna spoil my pamangkin? Because I feel like I can't do that. I can't spoil him too much. But then, of course, their parents will be strict on them. So I have to be the cool one. The cool tita. I miss you din. Sabi mo kay mami, miss ko na rin siya. Paano maging tita na hindi epal? Yung mahal ng lahat ng pamangkin. Hindi yung epal, ha? Yung ayaw ng lahat. Gusto ko yung love ng lahat ng pamangkin. Hashtag tita 1-on-1 guidebook. Shower them with love and tough love. I can't do that. I might spoil them. You see, guys, maybe if when I'm all grown up, when I'm 30 and I'm married, hopefully, and I have children in my 30s, I don't know if I'm gonna be strict with them. Or maybe I just don't know how. Or my husband can do the job. Buy treats for your pamangkins. Ooh, okay. Wow, Mami Camille, ha? As tita ka dyan. Tita Guidebook 101. I'll put that in mind. Shower them with love and tough love and buy them treats. The tough love is questionable. Pag may anak ka na, kunin mo kung ninong, ha? Hulo! Sige. Dapat bigyan mo lagi ng gifts, ha? Joke lang, wag. Wag mong spoil. Do you like cookies? What do you mean cookies? Like cookies na munch-munch? Or cookies na monster cookie? Everybody loves cookies, baby. Do you cook na ba? I've been making cookies here last month. Was it last month or was it June, July? Oh, it was around April. I've been making cookies and then, you know, I wasn't very disciplined with it, so I kind of stopped making them. I sometimes bake cookies. You want me to bake you some to exchange tayo? Every year, my pa-PR package. PR package! Malagya ka talaga, Josh. I miss you. Dapat ingnon ani guwapa inig Saturday. So pretty. Dapat mo ni ka. Gwapa na ni, kuya. Kuya Mark, kapaka-joker. Ito na yung maganda. What was that? Bro, what was that?